Hello guys, welcome to Fix Tech series on Jaybesttech TV. If you are new here, kindly do it to hit on the red subscribe button and the bell notification button for you to be updated whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel. What are we solving on today's video? Well, this is the ZTE Blade L7. ZTE Blade L7. This phone, the issue of this phone is that this phone, when you plug it on charger, it will be charging, just that it will never come up. When you try to put it on using the power rocker button, it will never come up. So what's the problem, or how can we solve this issue? Well guys, I'll guide you through that on how you can solve this issue of your phone is charging but it's not coming up or it's not on. So guys, let's turn to the other screen to watch how we can solve this fault. Yes, as you can see, this is the ZTE Blade L7. The issue of this phone is that this phone will not come up. When you try to put it on, it won't power up. But when you place it on charger, it will be charging. Let's place it on charger to see. As you can see, place it on charger, you can see the ZTE logo now. Currently now the phone is charging. But when you try to put it on, it's not on. Let's place the charger on it again to see. You can see that it's charging. What could be the issue here? Well, first let's take off the back cover and unscrew this phone to see what this problem could be. Take off the back screws and take off the battery and open it up. When you come to search for, the first place to go is the power flex. I want to first of all check the power flex to see if that could be the issue. So let's steer the volume, the power button side of it to see what's wrong, what could be wrong there. As you can see, there are some dents here. You can see that the power button here have some rust in it, and there are some mucus in it. So what do you need to do? You need to use a blade to scrape it off. Try to scrape it off and to make it neat. Okay, let's continue to scrape as we are doing. Scrape it off like this. Okay, you can see that it's a little bit neat. Let's close it back. This time let's test it to see if that was the cause of the phone not on. Let's put it on to see if it will come up. Yeah, you can see that the phone is working now. What was the issue? Well, that power flex was having some rust in it, was having some mucus. So because of that, the phone was losing contact, was having some contact failure in the power flex. So these techniques can actually be used in solving such fault in other phones apart from the ZTE mobile phones. You can use it on Techno, Samsung, Huawei, Infinix, all other brands. Okay. At the same time, this your phone is 100% solved. Okay, let's put up the back cover and test it to see if it will come up. Still come up. Let's place the battery. Let's on it to see. Yeah, you can see that your phone is 100% solved. With these techniques, you can actually solve all phone that is charging but not on it. So guys, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this wonderful video to the end. How helpful is this video to you? Please do it to leave a comment on the comment box section telling me how helpful this video is to you or how entertaining this video is to you. So thank you very much. If you have not done so, please kindly do it to hit on the red subscribe button and the bell notification button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Cheers.